Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to change your phone number or contact number on Instagram from PC. So you can see you have to go any browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Also come on the any browser, then search instagram.com. You can see, and you have to log in your account first. Then you will see the interface like this. So what you need to do, you need to click here, the left bottom corner on your screen. It's called more. Simply click more. Then the first one, settings. Simply click here. Then you can see account center and personal details. Click here. Then again click the personal details and click contact info, and you have to click add new contact and click add mobile number. Then you have to give your new mobile number. For example, I'm just randomly type, and then select your profile. Then you can see adding this number will be replace your current number. So if you want to add the new number, then your current number or previous number will be deleted and the new number will be replaced. And after that, click next, and you have to put your password. Then your number will be changed. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you the next video.